Hey guys, what's going on? And really quick, before I start the video off and stuff and about what this is, I have to say my screen recorder has been lost, so I can't do any Five Nights at Freddy's um, gameplay anymore. So yeah, and I'm sorry I haven't made any new videos lately, but I've just been really busy now because I've just got a ton of new games, but I don't want to record it and then stuff, and so yeah. So anyways, what this is about is if you ever watched anyone's video about the map of Five Nights at Freddy's 3, you turn it around, it looks like Scott Cawthon's character. So what that means is, if you guys ever seen this other video, if you went to his page, it will show a link to a download, and it would be Five Nights at Freddy's 3. But that's not Five Nights at Freddy's 3. That right there is a troll, okay? It's really just Scott Cawthon, a game that Scott Cawthon made, and just with the Freddy's mask and stuff. And so he didn't get hacked. He just trolled. So he made that game trailer and stuff. Man, it was such a good troll. And so what that represents is the character meant he gave us a hint that it's basically the same game. It just said Five Nights at Freddy's 3, but it's just the same game that Scott Cawthon made a long time ago. So yeah, thanks for watching, and like and subscribe and comment, and yeah, thanks for watching. Bye.